Weberset glass mosaic is adhesive for glass mosaics. For fixing mosaic tiles in swimming pools, wet and dry areas. Keep the following tools handy before you start an application. Make sure you wear safety shoes, face mask, safety goggles and gloves before you start any activities. The substrate should be freed from dust and other particles with the help of a wet sponge. 2.5 parts of Weberset glass mosaic should be mixed with 1 part of water. And mixed to get a smooth, uniform and consistent paste. The adhesive should be spread on the surface using the flat surface of the notched trowel. And then notching shall be done in unidirection. Remember, the notching should be perpendicular to the length of the tile. Spread the material as much as you can fix within open time. Firmly press the tile into the adhesive to ensure good initial bonding. Orientation of tile should be as per manufacturer's recommendation. Allow it to set for 24 hours. Wet the backing paper with ample water before peeling it off. Grouting can be done after 24 hours depending upon the usage. For a 2 mm bed thickness, the coverage will be 2 to 2.5 kg per square meter. Weberset glass mosaic is available in 20 kg pack size. Adhesive for glass mosaics. For more details, please refer to the technical data sheet.